So hey you all, we're back on track with the smoky eye series. So we left it off with a golden smoky, like a very feline eye look. And today we're going to do a shimmery smoky eye and let's see how it goes. So we're going to start off by just like tapping on our lid and removing any creasing from the eyeshadow base. And I'm going to use this Colourpop Baroque palette. You can see it's kind of like a little more on the grungier side for this look. So let's start off. So to start off, I have used an eyeshadow base on my lid and I'm going to use a little bit of kohl just along my lashes and lift your eyebrows up in case you want to get into all of that, like the area where the skin is actually shown. So just make sure that you get it well in and maintain the shape of it. It need not be smooth, but maintain the shape, maintain the angle. I'm always telling you about the shape and the angle, so just do that and take it slightly outwards and make it like a wing. It need not be sharp again, but just make sure that you're covering it. Okay, so we're going to use our Vichy smudger brush and we're going to smudge out the kohl. I have a lot of videos about how do I smudge the kohl. I'm going to drop the link for some of them down below, so check that one out. We're going to take the Vichy Pro Shader brush and we're going to take that shade Stunner, which is kind of a really dark blue, and we're going to like stamp it all over that blended kohl line, and then we're also going to take it for the entire lid area. So once that's done, I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to start to slightly smudge and blur out that line. So you might have to just go in back and front with a little bit of color and layer it and then continue just blending it out. Okay, so I'm going to take this like really small blender brush and I'm going to use that shade which is kind of like a gray tone blue, and we're going to go into the crease and start to blend it out. Maintain the shape, and this is what kind of defines the entire look. Taking another little bigger blending brush from Sigma, I'm going to go into this like almost grey blue shade, and we're going to start to buff out that line and just kind of like diffuse it into the skin. As you can see, my wrist is moving at a certain angle where it turns along my crease and then I flick it outwards, upwards. So you need to maintain the same shape to get the same effect. So I'm just going to use a little bit of holographic glitter from Bombay Vanity, and I'm going to leave the link of the brand down in the description bar below. And it's kind of like really pretty. It's not too chunky, but it also is chunky. You get the point. So we're going to take that and we're going to start to press it, and we're going to start to like just apply the product on the lid. Do not blend, just press the product, and don't put too much. It's going to cover the blue. So just leave just a couple of like sparkle spots here and there, and then I'm going to use a little bit of kohl and do the waterline, which I hate doing. And once that's done, we're going to go back to the Vichy brush and give it a good smudge and make sure that it's a lot more thinner towards the inner corner and it gets thicker towards the outer corner, and make sure that you connect it to the upper wing too. So next up, we're going to use our Kryolan flat shader brush. Is really small. So we're going to take a little bit of the blue and we're going to go right below the black and then make it just make it more smokier and then just give it a good blend too. So taking a pencil brush from Sigma, I'm going to go into this like really cool toned inner corner shade. I don't know what it's called as. And then we're going to use the same glitter and just going to add it just after the inner corner highlight for a little more glitter in the look. And then I'm going to use this Sugars mascara and I'm going to give it about like 2 to 3 coats of mascara. And as you can see, my eyes are kind of tearing up, maybe because this is the second look of the day. So my eyes are kind of watering, and give it about 2 to 3 coats, and don't forget the inner corner. And then I'm going to use Bombay Vanity lashes, and this one's the style New York, and we're going to like add it on, and this completes the look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think this is like extra glam, very sultry, very beautiful, and I think you can do this even in the warmer tone version with a little bit of reds and browns and whatnot. So it's going to look great. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and this helps you know how to do a glittery smoky eye, which is the hottest trend right now. And let me know which other looks you want to see from me down in the comment section below, and I'll catch up with you guys for another one. Until next time, bye.